4 ways to help you stay positive at work. Keeping a positive attitude at work will make you feel better throughout the day and also motivate you to get more done. Number 1, surround yourself with the right people. Positivity is contagious. Cut out relationships with toxic coworkers to eliminate negative impact on your work and increase motivation and performance. Number 2, take a midday walk. A brisk walk encourages your brain to release endorphins that boost your mood and fight stress, both of which help you to feel more productive and concentrated when you get back to your desk. Number 3, stop being so hard on yourself. Some people think that being hard on themselves motivates them to do better, when actually it's self-compassion. Cutting yourself some slack will be an aid in finding motivation to learn and grow from your mistakes. Number 4, take a gratitude break. If you focus on the drawbacks of your role, it's going to seem impossible to stay positive at work. It's imperative for your mindset to shift your focus from the things that frustrate you to the things that you're grateful for. Use these strategies to reap the rewards of staying positive at work. Staying positive at work, particularly in the face of setbacks and frustrations, can be a challenge. With these strategies, you have the tools to maintain positivity at work and benefit from the rewards for your work performance in the process. Integrify, making you more productive.